Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papure Borua and press on the bell icon for all notifications.
Good evening, everybody. It's a baking recipe today. As you can see, I have all the ingredients of the baking recipe, and I'm going to make a pineapple upside down cake but with a difference. So here I have around 225 grams of pineapple. I have here around 7.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Here I have 4 tablespoons of normal sugar, 5.5 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, 5.5 tablespoons of normal flour or maida, refined flour. I will need here just a pinch of salt there, and baking powder, say half a teaspoon of baking powder. And here I have separated the yolks and the whites of 2 eggs there. I will also need the rind of half a lemon. So let's start baking a unique recipe or a unique upside down pineapple cake. I'm heating up a pan here and just putting in a little bit of butter there. Okay, 2.5 sort of tablespoons of butter there, and putting in the entire brown sugar. I'm melting the brown sugar and the butter together so that I get a nice syrup, and into this syrup I'm going to put in the pineapple pieces there. Normally we have round pineapple pieces, but today I thought of making something different, and therefore I'm using the pineapple pieces there, and let the pineapple pieces caramelize itself in the brown sugar and butter. You can imagine how yummy this will be already. So this will take some time, say around 2-3 minutes on high flame. I'm doing this. In the meantime, I'm going to heat up my oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Preheat up the oven. So it took me around 3-4 minutes to get this type, This is the way it should be now, and it's completely caramelized in a way. And I have prepared the pan, or in fact the baking dish where I'm going to do it, the entire baking, and I have already lined with the butter paper. I'm going to just throw in this because this is going to form the base for the cake. So the base there, and it's going to be a very small cake. I'm just doing it because normally nowadays we do not prefer to eat too much of sweet there, but when we have a nice and juicy pineapple there, I really didn't want to waste it. So this is how it is. It's going to set now. So now let me proceed with the other part of the cake. Now I have put here the egg yolk, the butter, the remaining butter, and the rind of the lemon there, and let's give it a whisk. So this is done now. Now I go to the egg yolk. So I've taken the egg yolk mixture and I'll just give it a nice whisk from the slow to the heavy. I need to form peaks, so this will take say at least 5 minutes of beating. I'll fold in the sugar now, the caster sugar there, or in fact I've just given it a whisk in the mixie, and then of course this is the egg mixture that goes in. So all of them go in, and then I will try to sieve in together the flour and the soda bicarb and the salt. Now I've taken in a sieve the flour, and this the salt, little bit of salt, a pinch of salt there, and half a teaspoon of soda bicarb, and I'll just fold in batches. Just try and mix it. It's a small cake, pretty little cake, I guess. Okay, I really don't want to over fold in, just a little that way, and okay, that's done. Just fold in properly. I can use a little bit of the yellow color, I guess, because when we talk about pineapple, the color that comes to our head is yellow. So I'll just use some yellow color there, and this is done. Actually, the batter is ready to go into the mold, which already has the pineapple slices there. So I'll just get some yellow color. 1 or 2 drops, okay, 3-4 drops of the yellow color. It'll make my cake bright. So I'm using it. You can avoid it. It's very optional there. Okay, I think some more, just a few drops more, and that's done. Now I'm just going to layer it in my other cake pan. Okay, right, just on one direction. I normally tell you it's just on one direction that you cut, the fold and cut, fold and cut. Okay, that's ready. So this is the lined cake pan there, and I'm throwing in the beautiful batter, lemony yellow color batter there, and this is going into my preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade. So I'm giving it 3 shakes there, and it's ready to go into the oven. It'll be there in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for half an hour till the skewer comes out very clean. So that's the cake right out of the oven there. I just put in a skewer and showed to you. So it's come out clean, then it's done. We'll wait for it to get a little cooler, and then we'll take it out, demold it, and see the upside down cake there, pineapple cake. So let me try to demold it. It's actually cool now. I can touch it with my hands there. Just try to demold it. And yes, it's there, my little cake there, upside down pineapple cake. So that's my upside down pineapple cake, or pineapple upside down cake. And my oven and my kitchen is filled with the aroma of baked pineapples in butter, and can you imagine the smell of caramelized sugar as well. So I hope you like this recipe. It's a small little cake for a plate, for times like this when you really don't want to spend so much on baking and still want to have something that's really yummy. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't.